Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome to a new video. Today we're going to do something a little different. Today it started off, I had an appointment to go get my oil changed up at the dealership. Now naturally when you go get your oil changed, by the end of your visit they're coming out and telling you, well, you need this, you need that and the other and so forth. So what they gave me was, everything turned out good. I keep my truck in tip-top shape. I'm very religious on getting the oil changed every 3,000 miles. So they told me that I needed, after doing their 14 multi-point inspection, that I needed a cabin air filter, an engine air filter, and also a four-wheel alignment. Now, my truck only has about 18,000 miles on it. The tires on it are still good. The only way that I would get the alignment is if I replace my tires. So, moving up to the next item that they have here. The cabin filter and the air filter. The cabin filter, $66.90 to replace. Engine filter, $61.20 to replace. A total of $128.10. Advance auto, $14.99. Advance auto, $15.99. A total of $30.98. Which gives me a savings of $97.12. Now, the only thing I have to do is install this. That's the purpose of this video. I will show you how to install the cabin filter. I wasn't even sure I had a cabin filter. I've heard of these, but I wasn't sure if my truck had it. It's good to know, because now I replace them. They are recommended, both of these filters, at about 15,000 miles. So yeah, that is the purpose of this video today. I want to show you how easy it is to install these filters instead of taking it to the dealership where they're going to sock it to you. So let us go outside and I'll show you how simple this process is. Alrighty, so we're going to replace the cabin filter. Tools that are going to be needed is a ratchet, an extension, and a 7mm socket. Alright, first off, you open the door, remove this rubber piece right at the top here. It just snaps right out. Pretty easy. Now you have two bolts you're going to remove, one here and one on this side. Now, when you remove this plastic piece, be careful pulling it out because you have a switch here. There's your light switch. That means when you pull this plastic piece out, there's going to be a wire harness behind it. So, kind of just right underneath here, you have some clips. There we go. Unplug your wire harness. Now, you have another door that sits right back here. That door is held in by two clips, one on each end. Door folds down, pulls out, and now you have your cabin filter. old one comes out. And the new one goes in. All right, replacing the front door. These two tabs kind of angle down and it flips up. There's one, there's two, there's one, the other one snapped in. Okay, we're good. Now we just reassemble. Remember your wire harness. Piece snaps right back in place. There's clips at the bottom here. You got your two 7mm bolts that you removed. Don't over tighten them because you don't want to crack the plastic around the housing. How long did this take me? Under 10 minutes? Again, don't let the dealership sock it to you. To do something this simple and pay that amount of money to have it done is ridiculous. And this rubber piece just snaps right back in place. There you go. That's how easy it is to replace your cabin filter on a Ford F150. All right, well that was pretty easy. Now for the easier one. Let's go under the hood and replace the engine air filter. Alrighty, so 2 clips. Here's the old one. Here's a new one. Installed. Alrighty, there you have it. The installation of 2 air filters, one being the cabin filter, the other being the air filter on the 2017 Ford F150 XL. Now, as I said earlier, if you choose to take your vehicle to the dealership, don't let them take advantage of you. I just get upset when they do that. As I said, I went in for a simple oil change and they brought me a list of stuff. A wheel alignment. I'm not going to get a wheel alignment until I get 4 tires put on my truck. My tires on my truck still have a lot of tread on them. The other 2 being the air filters. As I said, $66.90 and $66.20 for the other. A total of $128 for the price of the filters plus the installation. I went to Advance Auto. I spent $30 on both filters, installed them myself. I saved $97. And as you've seen, the installation wasn't that hard. The cabin filter took me about 5 minutes. Hell, the engine filter took me 30 seconds. It's a no-brainer. Anyway, I hope that this video was helpful to you. If it was, give me a thumbs up down below. And if you made it this far, down below, hit that subscribe button. Take it a step further, Turn on your bell notifications. By doing so, you'll be notified of all future uploads that I post on this channel. And also, I want to add, I thank you guys for hanging out. I am George the Philly Guy. I will see you in the next video.